Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, and today I have another cool product, cool accessory for my Tesla Model Y. I have the 2020 Tesla Model Y long range all-wheel drive, dual motor. It's white with the white interior. In the summertime, I live down here in Florida. In the summertime, it gets extremely hot. The sun is beating down, and the inside of the car does get hot. However, once you get in it and you get that AC cooking, cranking up, it's fine. Okay, it's not that hot. But my friends at Thinsgo, they sent me the sunroof shade. It comes in this really cool bag. What's cool about this bag is that when you don't want to use it, you can take it out and you can store it until you need it. One thing that a lot of people I've read about, people with the Model Y having the all glass sunroof, is kids. When they have babies in the back sleeping, and if they're on a trip and you're going down the highway and you got that highway light or the street lights or whatever, and they're going by flashing over the kids, it kind of keeps them up. It helps, it wakes them up a little bit. So with this sunshade that we're going to put up on the roof, this will help eliminate some of that brightness from the glass coming down on the kids, even during the daytime when the sun's out. Put this thing up. I am going to put it in today, and I'm going to take it for a drive. And one thing that I've seen some people complain about is driving with the windows down. If you drive with the windows down and you have this in up there on top, it might make some noise. So I want to see how this one does and see if that's true. But the main thing is, if you have it in, you have your windows up, you keep your AC on, and you'll be fine. But anyways, I'm going to try to install it right now, see how hard it is, and we'll go from there. So first of all, to open it up, comes out like this. This is how it's folded up in there. There we go. It's also made by Top Fit. Folds right back up pretty easily. There you go. That was easy. But anyways, once it's out there in the car and you get it unfolded and you put it up in there with the clips, it should stay up just fine. So also in the bag, little bag of clips. They say they come with 8 clips inside there, and let's go see how easy it is to install. Okay guys, so I've started installing it, and it's kind of difficult, I'll be honest with you. However, I'm getting it. You put these little clips, they just slide in. See if I can show you right here. Yeah, they just slide in right there, and you put it over the over your material. I got 2 here in the front, 2 on each side, and this I'm going to get the ones over here on the sides done right now. So what I'm doing, I take it out, put the clip on first, and then putting it in there. Got that one and that one done. That one done. I'm putting the clip on the material first, and then I'm sliding it up. But the hardest part was getting the sunshade to expand. All right, so I've got it installed, and right now I'm rolling down all my windows. I got all the clips in. It is a little bit bouncy right here, but we're gonna go down the road and see what it does, see if it bounces a lot, and test it out, see what it does with the windows down. But I tell you one thing, it's a lot cooler in here. It seems like, you know, almost a solid roof right there. I mean, it helps protect the UV rays and everything. So let's see what it does. Right now I'm going 36 miles per hour and nothing. It's not making any noises or doing anything weird. We'll get out here on the road. Going 60 and it's doing fine. This is with all the windows down. 50. It's not doing anything. Hangs down just a little bit off the window, but seems to be doing good. All right, I'm actually impressed with it. Let's take a look at it installed here. All right. Okay, so as you can see, you got, I put 2 clips. It did come with 10 clips. I read in there that it said install with 8 clips, so I got 2 on each side, and you can see it fits it pretty well all the way around. Yeah, you can still see straight up. See the trees? I like it. Overall, I think it works pretty well. It fits in here, it fits snug. I don't see any light up around the corners anywhere. It looks like it's really a perfect fit. Like I said, it did come with a total of 10. It came with a total of 10 of these clips right here. And these clips, this part of it right here, this side, this is what goes into your ceiling, okay? This part stays out, and the sunshade has a metal ring, around, and it just falls right up in there. It just clips right up in there. Put it in there, slide it in. It's pretty simple. I mean, if you felt like it was going to start sagging somewhere in the middle, take these 2 extra ones, put them right there. But I just got them spaced out kind of even all the way around, and it's pretty nice. Now, it's not the cool factor of being able to look up and see the trees and everything, so it may not be for everybody. But let's say you're going camping, you're going on a long trip, and you want to keep the sun beat, you know, from beating on you in here. Maybe you're going to sleep in a car on a trip, and you know after hitting a supercharger, you're going to pull over somewhere and you're going to sleep in your car. Well, that would help a lot keeping the lights out of it. So yeah, I recommend it. So if you got a Model Y, this would be great for it. I will have the link down below. You're welcome to click it. It's an Amazon link. If you do click it and you purchase it, I do get credit for it. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I do get credit for all the purchases you make from my website, which is www.teslablaine.com. You can check that out. I'll have this on there. I have everything else. I also will have this down in the description of my video. So help me out, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the sunshade, don't give me a thumbs down. Just give me a thumbs up anyways. You know what I'm saying? So please, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I really enjoy making these videos. I want to make a shout out to everybody that's used my referral code. If you're interested in buying a Tesla, down below is also my referral code. You will get 1,000 free supercharging miles, and so will I. And also for solar panels, there's a referral down there. I believe you get an extra $100 free if you plan on getting solar panels or the solar roof. You know, click it, and I hope you enjoy it. You know, so anyways, if you get the car, I know you're going to enjoy it. Or any Tesla. It's the best car out there in the world. Safest car, best car, fastest car. Well, it's the fastest cars I've ever owned, and I got one of the not the fastest Teslas that's out there. So anyways, guys, main thing I want to say is be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.